Hello Beshies guys, this is Fiona, OFW here in Taiwan, so welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to Fengyuan Night Market. So samahan nyo ako and let's enjoy mga food and new... What else do we need to enjoy? I ran out of line.
Maybe people.
Oh, people. Oh, yeah. Maybe see the other side.
Handsome and hot guy.
So right now I'm here with my friend Shoshan. She's a Taiwanese. We on board the train and we're going to Fengyuan Night Market. So let's enjoy this night.
I'm wearing a pajama.
Yeah. We're here in the Fengyuan station, and I just came from the Tonglo train station, so it took me 30-minute ride. And right now we're heading to the Fengyuan Night Market. What is the problem?
No taxi.
Oh, no need to take a taxi. We'll just walk here, from here to there, and I think it's just 10-minute walk. Yes, based on what I remember. Yeah,
But it's not notion. It's
oh,
soup.
it's soup. It's just soup. So, nag-take away na lang ako nitong ano nila. Dito sa store na to.
It's the cold drink. The pineapple juice.
Another one. What?
It's the fruit juice. The other fruit juice was the milk.
Oh, there's a lot of juices you can choose from, right?
Yeah. So this is also drink.
Hello Beshies! Ito, tapos na kami mag-night market, and after the night market, bigla kami dito sa Shabu Shabu to have our dinner, and ang dami namin na pamili. Actually, yung kaibigan ko marami na pamili. So, na-enjoy namin yung night market. Ang dami-daming mga choices and delicacies nila na nandun. So,
It's fun.
yeah. Can you explain what is the night market in Taiwan?
The night market in Taiwan
Yeah.
is they will have a lot of shop there. Is the local food and drink, and sometimes you can play some interesting game there.
Oh.
And it's because only open in the evening, so we call it night market.
Oh, so what can you say about the Fengyuan Night Market?
The night market, but I think it's because the culture, because it's nearby the temple.
Oh, so that's why there's a lot of shops.
Yeah, a lot of shop there, and people will went there.
Or how much money should you have if you want to go to a night market?
For me, perhaps 500.
500 is okay, right? 500 NTD, right?
Yeah.
So the one meal or one food may cost you 40 NTD, right?
Yes.
So maybe if you bought a lot and you find it very interesting, so you will spend a lot of money, right?
Yes.
So it depends on the buyer.
Yes.
Right. Also, thank you very much for accompanying me. Yeah. The Fengyuan Night Market is nearby the Fengyuan train station. So if you are from Taipei, you want to go here in Fengyuan, there are two types of train that you can choose. It's the fast train and the local train. The fast train will cost you 342 NTD dollar, and the local train will cost you 220 one way. But since I came from the Tonglo train station, it's just cost me 40 NT dollar, and back and forth it will cost me 80 NTD dollar. Please give my video a thumbs up or comment down below for any suggestion, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bye bye.